This no water chicken soup recipe is so easy with very few ingredients. You're gonna need cabbage chopped. You're gonna need some Fuji apple chopped into cubes, some julienne's ginger, lots of it, a chopped onion, and a whole chicken. And you could just use pepper and salt. Line the bottom of your Dutch oven with some oil, the onion, the apple, some salt, and lots of ginger for fragrance, aroma, and flavor. Put your whole chicken in, season it with the salt and pepper, and then stuff in all the cabbage, the apples, the ginger, and I put jujubes on top. A side sauce is recommended of ginger, scallions, hot oil, and soy sauce with some chili flakes while the whole chicken cooks for 1 hour and 45 minutes. Look at that chicken soup, waterless chicken soup. There is so much liquid of this concentrated chicken soup broth. The chicken is super tender and you can dip it into the side sauce. It's just so fragrant, delicious, and very healthy. Follow and like for more Asian recipes.